friends, welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you back. Today I'm going to show you a very easy way to make your caramel sauce at home. Basically, caramel sauce is made with sugar, butter and heavy cream, but in this video you're going to learn the simplest way of making your caramel sauce without heavy cream or butter. I'm just going to use the most simplest ingredients to make this sauce. So watch this to the end and see how this is done. And if you're new to my channel, please do remember to subscribe. It's very important you subscribe so you stay updated. When making caramel sauce, it's always best to use a large saucepan. If you don't have a large saucepan, you can just use a large pot. This is going to prevent the caramel from splattering and from boiling over. So once you have added your sugar to the pot, just give it a little shake. The sugar should lie evenly in a single layer. Once you've done that, add 1/3 cup of water to the sugar. In this recipe, I use 1 full cup of granulated sugar to 1/3 cup of water. So once you've placed your sugar on heat, make sure not to stir this. Once your sugar has finished melting, you can gently increase the heat, but not too much. It should cook on medium to high heat until the caramel starts to form. Throughout the process, I haven't stirred this. You are not supposed to stir this. Just leave it to cook on its own. Within 10 minutes of cooking this, you can notice it's slightly changing to yellow color. Just before the syrup changes to caramel color, if you notice some little crystal forming at the side of the pot, you don't need to panic. You can easily fix this. You can just add a little water to this and melt back the sugar. Once you have gotten this amber color, you can now turn off heat. If you waste a little more time, this is going to turn out very dark and burnt. So you wouldn't want to experience that. So I'm just going to put off heat. So friends, at this stage, some people add heavy cream and butter. I'm not going to add any of that. I'm just going to add a little bit of warm water. Then I'm just going to gently stir this. Now, salt is very important in caramel sauce, so guys, don't skip the salt. I like my caramel sauce a bit salty, so I'm just adding salt and I'm stirring this to combine. Okay, once I've brought it off from the stove, I'm going to leave this to cool. You can easily strain your caramel sauce if you wish to. So I'm just bringing this into a bowl. I'm going to leave this to cool down. At first, your caramel sauce will appear liquidy after bringing it off from heat, but you can place this into the fridge and allow it to thicken up. It thickens as it cools down. Okay friends, I left my caramel sauce in the fridge for 30 minutes. You can leave it for 2 to 4 hours so it will thicken up properly. Okay, caramel sauce is great. It's a good topping for cakes, for ice cream, and also you can use it to flavor your desserts and puddings. Okay, so I'm just bringing this into a jar. You can store this in the fridge for a month or in the freezer for 3 months. You can use it even in your tea. It has so many uses. So guys, this was how to make caramel sauce at home. Let me hear your suggestion in the comment section below. I hope you loved this video. Please do remember to give me a thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye.